Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm simply going to show you how to use vote sticker on Instagram story. So if you are confused between two different things and you want the opinion of your Instagram audience, then you can add a vote to your Instagram story. So if you don't know how to do that, I'll show you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, simply open up your Instagram mobile application. You have to make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, simply swipe to right to open up your camera. Once you are on the screen, from here you can either take a photo or a video from your gallery, and you can also take a photo or make a video right now. So I'm simply going to take a photo. Once you are done, here at the top you'll see there are four different options. The second one is of stickers, so simply tap on that. So here in the middle row you will see the third option is of poll, so simply tap on that. First of all, you simply have to ask a question. For example, if you are saying this or that, once you are done, you simply have to select if you want to take yes or no or anything which you want, then tap on done. Now as you guys can see that the poll has been created. The person can either select no or yes, then you simply have to post the story. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.